traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, gold I think is extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think we probably are in a wave 4, but we really still can't even 100% confirm it. But most likely we're in a wave 4, which will make 3 waves down to be at least a 38% before it goes up again and makes a wave 5 to complete this very, very clear 5-way pattern on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like the wave 4 is already in. It looks like this is an A, we're in a wave B, and then eventually it's going to go down for a C, probably making some sort of a 3-way pattern down to one of these 2 Fibonacci levels before it does end up continuing back up. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, one big impulsive move to the downside, most likely wave A. I do still think this move up is part of an A, B, C of wave B, which it's still not over yet. And eventually I would expect it to go down again for wave C to complete that ABC of wave 4 that I showed on the weekly time frame. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it looks like this trend could be getting close to being over. It looks very, very, very clearly to be 5 ways up. So eventually, I would not definitely not try to go short until you get some sort of confirmation, but I definitely think at some point it is going to turn down to make a correction to the move up, which would be a wave B, and then probably back up to at least a 60 to 78% for a wave C. Like I said, I expect to see 3 waves of wave B on the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame range. Going right down to the 1 hour time frame. So this seems like to me like it is very clearly a wave 5. It looks like a 1, it looks like a 2, looks like a 3, looks like a 4, and it looks like a wave 5. So if price does go down and start breaking structure, that's what's going to help confirm that the wave A is really complete. Really, what's totally going to confirm it is the break of wave 4 down here. But if this really is a wave 5 and you see a break in a wave 5, then that probably is the end of a trend, and it probably would be the beginning of a downtrend for a wave A, a correction for a wave B, and then another downtrend for a wave C, which would form that ABC of wave B like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So be careful because until this actually goes down and breaks structure, you do not know that it's over. It could possibly continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So as usual, pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, and you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.